Bye, babe.
Bye, baboon face. Damn it! Shit! I have writer's block. I don't know what that is. I'm a car salesman. This sucks. I do not know how to write my romance novel. It will sell for $1.25 if I ever finish. Best artist in world. Think of the most creative stuff on the shitter. I go take dump. It's awful. Yeah. You like the scenery? Do you like it for a change?
No.
You're from New York, right? You like this place? It smells like cow shit. I hope it's in
It all looks the same to me. As long as I can get paid before Friday.
Paid? No, I don't pay.
I think I'm going to drop this accent. It's pretty nasty.
I thought perhaps I was
What do
paid
you
to
do
seven-
for a living?
I'm a novelist. You've read my bestseller. Sewer in the Dark?
Yeah, I've heard of it.
Yes, it was written by your husband. I mean, plot point there.
Yes, that's right.
So, your room is up the stairs to the right. I'm going straight inside to type.
I'll just wait for him to open my door. Excuse me. See, that was quick. He's already inside typing.
And this novel, it waits for no one. I need to get it finished, no?
I guess I just find my own way around your house.
Come on in.
Josh, he made $3 million off his first book. I mean, my husband's book. And he masturbates wherever my room is.
And they were having sex on the beach. No. And some sand dune. No. Atlantis. Erase all that. Throw this paper away. This is nasty. Judy then gave Bill the biggest blowjob he's ever had. No, not blowjob. She licked his nose. No, wait. I can think of something much more creative. It takes me days to come up with this crap. I would like to put in, oh yes, the farmhouse. A big silo where pigs are mating and humping in the front yard. Bill reaches out and he jumps off to finish himself off.
What? That is so lame.
He does not love the woman, you see. And it was storming inside. I found apples, no pears, to eat. No, wait, bananas. I like the color yellow.
Do you want me to write no wait?
No, you scratch that. Now this is back before erasers, huh? I would like to suck on your nipple. No, your breast. No, your pussy. It's better that way, yes. I like pussy. It's a big, juicy word. Fill it up with lots of adjectives. Big, huge, large, humongous. All of those. Stick them back. Point. Ugh. This is a beef pot pie. Anyway, I don't mind saying it's frozen in the center. You must do better than this. I look like Mark Hamill from this shot. Please, go back in the kitchen and microwave me a chicken pot pie as I tell you. And give me some more turning leaf. This bottle is way too fresh. I want something from the 60s. Still no one buys this shit. You know what it was called? House on Straw Hill. No one wants to read it. You know why? Because I'm a failure. My books are crap. This new book should be called Adjectives. Ah, shit. I'm out of turning leaf.
Darn.
Go get me some Gran Spumante.
Oh, I'm lighting another cigarette.
Man, I thought you were nasty when I was sober. You're nasty when I'm drunk. I got double. Either pregnant or that's the biggest pooch I've ever seen. Whoa! These you look like the metal beast. Oh, I'm having non-flashbacks. I'm dead. You know, I'm sexy. Why do you masturbate? I'm just another room right down the hall, you know. Anytime you want. You just come on over, okay, sweet things? You can come home to me.
You gross.
Pass.
No, thank you.